Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how you can build a website for online courses. So in this video we will be creating a website like this one. It's a completely functional website where you can add your courses and you can change all of the information that you want. So you can set it up as you want. So let's get started making this website. First of all, you need to know about what is web hosting. So web hosting is a place where all of your website files gonna be stored. So all of your content, including database, your blogs, all of the files gonna be stored on your web hosting. So there are a number of web hosting which you can use for your website, but it depends what kind of web hosting you want. In this video, I'm going to purchase web hosting from Bluehost. So it's the best web hosting service recommended by the WordPress itself. You can visit bluehost.com by the given link in the description. After visiting Bluehost, you have to click on Get Started, and here you will see all the plans. So here you can select plan for your website. So there is basic plan, plus plan, and two more plan. So it depends on you what kind of website you want to create. If you are going to create one website and you don't need much storage, then you should basically go for the basic package. It will cost you less. But if you want to create more than one website and you want unlimited storage, then you can go for the plus plan. You don't need to choose the remaining plans because these both plans will work good for you. So in this case I'm going to choose the basic plan. So click select. After that, here you can create a domain name for you. So what is a domain name? For example, you are visiting a site by the name like youtube.com, google.com. The name, it is called the domain name. So here you can search for your domain name. Let's suppose we want to search for how to website, and make sure you will select .com first. If it isn't available, then you can choose another option as well. So I'm going to click next, and it will search it's available or not. As you can see, it's not available. So it's showing some more suggestion which you can choose. So you can choose how to website.online and all of these, but you can search again and make sure that your domain name is easy to remember and easy to type. It don't should be like this one, so no one can remember this. So keep it simple as it can. So let's choose this one, and here you will see, and here you can see the domain name is online, is available. Now here you can simply sign in the Google, or you can put your details right here. You can put first name, last name, business name, and your phone number and email address. And from here you can check package information. In default it's selected up to 36 months, but you can choose at least for 12 months. But if you will choose for 36 months, you will have to pay less, but if you choose for 12 months, you will be charged higher. So it depends on you what package you choose for your website. So I'm going to choose this package right here and scroll down, and from the package extras you have to simply uncheck these both because you don't need these plugins. Basically we can do this stuff by later, okay? And from here, domain privacy plus protection. If you want to keep your information protected, you have to simply keep this check. But if you want to decrease your money, then you can simply uncheck this one also and turn it off. And as you can see, your price is reduced, okay? And from here you have to add some payment information. After adding all the information, you have to scroll down, check this mark, and you have to click on submit. After clicking submit, you will see a payment receipt like this one. You have to scroll up and you will see create your account button. You have to click on create your account. After that, you will see option like this one. Here you will have your domain name, and you can create a password which you can use for login, and create a strong password. And after that, click on create account, and during this you have to verify your email. and you have, as you can see, your account will be verified. Now if you visit Bluehost, you will see a pop-up like this one. Your account is ready to go. Now you can log in. So click on go to login, and you will see a page like this one. Here you can put your domain name and the password which you have created before, and after putting the information you have to click on login, and here you will see a pop-up, create your website. So you have to simply click on create your website. After that you will see some options which you can choose, or you can simply skip. So I'm going to skip these steps, and here you can also choose a category for your website, or you can simply skip and choose a category later, but you can choose here as well. And here again click on skip this step. Here are two options which you can use to create your WordPress site. First one is using WordPress only, and second one is using WordPress plus Bluehost website builder. So it depends on you. If you want to save your time and you don't have coding knowledge, you have to choose this second option. But if you want to make your template own as you want, so you have to click it right here, get started. Here you can name your site. So I'm going to name it to how to let's suppose course, how to courses. Okay, how to course. And here you can add a tagline as well, and after that you have to click next, and from here you have to keep this checked and click next, and it will install our website. It will install WordPress our website. After that you will see this interface. This is WordPress admin panel, where you can change the appearance of your website. And now first of all visit our website and let's see how it looks. And here you can see, here is our WordPress website, and it is a default template, and we will change our template now. Now go to plugin and click on add new. We will use a plugin to build our website, and from there we will get pre-made templates, and from here you have to click for search for Astra, click enter, and you have to install this plugin right here. And after installing you have to click on active, and from this plugin we will select a template for our website, click active. Now scroll down and click here, see library, and here you have to choose Elementor. It's a page builder which helps us to customize our website very easily. So select Elementor. After that you will see a number of templates which you can choose for your website. So as you remember, we are going to create a online course store. So let's search for online course, and here you can see here are all of the courses. So now you can simply click and you can see the preview that how this thing gonna look like. But I'm going to choose this one. This is looking vibrant and sleek. So if you have choose a template and want to use for your website, you have to click on import complete site. Now let's click on skip and import, and from here you can choose one of these and click next, and you can skip this step, and after that it will start importing the theme to our website. As you can see, our template has been imported successfully. Now click on visit site, view site. As you can see, here is our website, and the theme has been applied to our website. Here you can see, here is all the changes. And now if you want to edit this template, you have to simply click on edit with Elementor, and from here you can start editing this template. Now you can just start editing it as you want. So click here, and from here you can change the text that you want. Let's suppose you want to type courses for all. Okay, and here you can paste a link if someone clicks here, and from here let's change this title right here. you can change the text start course, and you have to click on get started, and you can change it as you want. Icon spacing also. And let's suppose you want to change this image or this video right here. You can do this by clicking this section. And if you want to change the background cover, you can simply do this by clicking here edit section and go to style, and from here you can choose image. But I'm not going to change this image because this image looks perfect. So let's suppose scroll down and you want to add a new section right here. So let's click on the add section and click on add, and here you can choose the design. Now let's add a new section right here. Okay, and let's choose this template, and from here you can simply drag and drop what kind of template you want. Okay, and click on the plus, and let's add a WP form and a contact form, and it will be added right here. Now you can change the display option. You can change the front name, height, you can do the all stuff. Okay, and from here I'm going to add Google Maps, and it will be added right here. Now you can change the height as well. I'm going to change it to match the size of this section right here. Okay, and that's how. And also you can pick the location. From here you can change the location to your store or your location, and you can zoom in or zoom out as well. And now scroll up. Let's suppose you want to edit this section right here. You can change the images, you can change the text, and you can change the hover layout. And after doing all the stuff, let's suppose you want to add a website logo. You have to click here and go to site settings. After that you have to go to site identity, and from here you can choose a logo for your website. And from here you can pick a logo as well, or you can upload your own file right here. I have uploaded my logo, and you can add alt text, you can add caption, description as well. After putting the information, you have to click on insert media, and your logo will be added. Okay, and after that you can add site favicon as well. And if you want to add a page right here, you can do this also. You have to go back, and again you have to close this one, and from here you have to update these settings, that the changes you have made. And after that you have to go to WordPress, exit to dashboard, and it will load us the WordPress family panel again, where you can add pages, you can add new post, you can customize the post as well. Now if you want to add a new post, you have to go to post and click on add new, and from there you can add a post to your website. You can launch a course, you can add a new course. Let's suppose we want to add a post, all of the courses, will be added soon. And here you can type some description as well, coming soon. Okay, after putting your title and description, you have to set your blog image as well, and you can pick one of these images for your blog. Let's suppose we want to set this image right here. Click set featured image, and after that you can add permalinks. You can choose a template. Let's suppose you want to choose a template, full width, theme, canvas. I'm going to choose a default template, and you can add a category as well. Let's add a category, courses info and add new category, and it will be added right here. You have to click on publish, and publish it will be added to our website. You have to click on view post. Here you can see, here is our first blog, here is our title, and here is our description as well. And that's how you can add a post to your website. You can add courses as well that I have shown you before, and that's how you can completely customize the website that you want. So that's all for now. If you have any question, you can ask me in comment section. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.